Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Vanakkam viewers, today I would like to share information about fasting on Ekadashi. Ekadashi is the 11th day of a fortnight in a lunar cycle. Usually in South India, we maintain fasting on the entire day, and the next day we break the fast, right? So before understanding why on Ekadashi, we need to understand why fasting, what are the benefits of fasting, and what's the impact of it on the body, right? If you see, the benefits are weight reduction, which is the main thing, main benefit, and even the toxins and impurities are removed, which boosts the immune system. These are the two benefits mainly. And if you see, fasting also increases awareness. How does it increase awareness and consciousness in a human body? What happens is, there are two ways in which body gets energy for the metabolism, and for all the body parts to be working the way it should. So firstly, the food that we eat is digested, and then it converts into energy, right? And there's another mechanism, which is the body just burns the fat and produces energy, right? So these are two different mechanisms. So when you fast, or when we fast, what happens is the body moves from digestion mode to the fat burning mode. So when the shift happens, that happens by the awareness or consciousness within the body. It's an intelligent system within the body, which knows that if there is no food, I need to start burning the fat and to produce energy, or else the body will collapse, and you won't be able to do the things that you need to do on a daily basis. So that is the main impact of fasting on the body. When you keep fasting, the awareness is always checking whether the food is available or not, and this awareness and consciousness can be tapped, and you can use it for spiritual journey as well. So that is the impact of on the body. So why on Ekadashi? Ekadashi, we should understand, it's the 11th day in the lunar cycle, either in the waxing phase or waning phase. Its 11th day is called as Ekadashi. And what happens is, if we see, when we eat, when the food is digested, it takes 3 days for the energy to reach the brain. Yeah, as it takes 3 days, in olden days, I think people who started this tradition of fasting on Ekadashi understood that the energy which reaches the brain on the 4th day needs to be reduced. Why on the 14th day? On the 14th day it needs to be reduced. Why it needs to be reduced on the 14th day is 14th day is either a new moon day or a full moon day. On a new moon day or a full moon day, what happens is, there is the magnetic field which gets generated by the moon, and due to which there is a lot of gravity exertion. Because of the magnetic field, the energy in the body moves to the head. So if there is lesser amount of energy moving up to the brain, the better it is. That's the sole reason why we do fasting on Ekadashi. Hope you all liked it. Thanks a lot for listening and viewing.